Now we can see about block diagram representation of continuous time signal. After completion of this, the students can determine the Lta system impulse response over critical damped condition. Now we can see what is meant by Lta systems. If a system has both the linearity and time invariant property, then this system is called the linear time invariant system, and this is a linear first order differential equation with constant coefficients. That is, let us assume that as a and b which are constant. Therefore the linear equation can be given as d by dt of y of t minus a into y of t equal to b into x of t. In general, the nth order linear differential equation with constant equation can be given by using the below formulas. This can be given by represented by using this below, which can also be written as, in general this can be written as summation k equal to 0 to n ak into d par k dt par k into y of t equal to summation k equal to 0 to m bk dk dt par k into x of t. Now we can see the block diagram representation of continuous time signal. Here the systems are realized by using 4 types. In the case of continuous time linear Lta system, they are direct from 1 realization, direct from 2 realization, cascade from realization, and parallel from realization. First one is direct from 1 realization. Here, in the case of direct from 1 realization, it is the direct implementation of differential equation or transfer function describing the systems. It uses separate integrators for input and output variables, and also it provides direct relationship between the time domain and S domain equations. In general, this forms requires 2n delay element in the case of both input and output signal for a filter of order n, and this form is practical for small filters. And some of the advantages is it is simplicity, most right for forward realization, and the disadvantages are more number of integrators are used and insufficient and impractical for complex design. Now we can move on to the next, that is the direct from 2 realization. It is the direct implementation of differential equation or transfer function describing the system. Instead of using separate integrators for integrating input and output variable separately, an intermediate variable is integrated, and also it provides direct relationship between the time domain and S domain equations. And the advantages are it uses minimum number of integrators and straightforward realization. And the disadvantages are it increases the possibility of arithmetic overflow for filters of high Q or resonance. Next one is the cascade form. Here, in this cascade form realization, the given transfer function is expressed as a product of several transfer functions, and each of this transfer function is realized in direct form 2, and then all those realized structures are cascaded, that is, it is connected in series. And next one is the parallel form realization. In the case of parallel form realization, the given transfer function is expressed into its differential fractions, and it is expressed into partial fractions, and each factor is realized in direct form 2, and all those realized structures are connected in parallel. And also the block diagram representation of first order system is described by differential and differential equations given below. Here this is for adder, this is in the by using the difference equation, and second one is for differential equation, this is in the case of adder. Next one is the multiplication by a coefficient, that is just we are multiplied with the scaling factor, and these are two are the this is are for differential equation and for difference equation. Next one is for the unit delay or differentiator. Here the input is given to the differentiator, therefore we are getting the output of the differentiator when it is come as an output. These are the possible quiz questions by using the Lta system. Thank you.